So can you actually delete transaction history on Remitly? A lot of people wonder about this, and you might have seen videos online claiming that you can remove or clear it, but let's see what's really possible. When you open your Remitly app and go to the Transfers section, you'll notice there's a list of all your previous transactions. If you tap on any of them, you'll see the details, but there's no option to delete or remove them. Remitly keeps a full record of your transfer activity for security and compliance reasons, so there isn't a direct way to clear this history from your account. The only option you really have if you want to completely remove your transfer history is to close your Remitly account. To do this, go to the bottom right corner of the app, open your profile settings, scroll down, and select the option to close your profile. Once you do this, your account, along with all of your personal information and transfer history, will be permanently deleted. If you still want to use Remitly, you would need to create a brand new account after closing the old one. So to be clear, no, you cannot manually delete or hide individual transactions on Remitly. The only way to remove everything is by closing the account completely. Hopefully, this clears up the confusion and saves you some time. Instead of worrying about hiding history, focus on saving money. That's where Wise beats Remitly every time. Wise offers lower fees, real exchange rates, and free debit cards to spend online or abroad. Sign up using the link in the description and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free.